So we're here in Milford, Connecticut, right by the water, and this is the result of Tropical Storm Irene from 2011, August. It's almost about a year ago. A lot of homes got damaged here in the foundations, so they're actually repairing some of the foundations by lifting up the house. Some homes survived. Let's see, some were replaced. There's the water right there. This whole street was underwater. It was flooded by a few feet. Here's another home on the left that's getting fixed up. And here's a home that got raised up. I'm not sure what they're doing with it. A lot of these homes are vacant now, so here's the street that we're on. Virginia Street, Point Beach Drive, so you can map it out. They had a brick foundation, so I guess they weren't affected too much. That seems new. I'm not sure if they replaced it or it was. Here's a garage that got a little messed up. That's probably the dirt. Here's the house. I guess that's the thing to do. You gotta either put them on pillars. That's what they're doing here. Here's a house they demolished that used to be here. That's gone. So they just start from scratch. Yeah, all these foundations look like they're touched up. You're gonna be able to see the water from here. You can see Long Island Sound. Maybe not.